what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to prove this proposition number 6. Proposition number 6 says 1 plus 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, here we are going to argue this one by contradiction. If we take the contradiction of this one, the contradiction of this one is going to be 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. And when we try to prove this one, we will see that this will not be true. Then from that one we know that if the contradiction is not true, then it's correct. This one is correct. Okay, now let's see how to do that. First we are going to use the proposition number 4 for that. If you don't know proposition number 4, I made a video on that, you can go ahead and watch that. Proposition number 4 says that 0 is less than 1. Okay, 0 is less than 1. Then if 0 is less than 1, and we know that 0 is equal to 1 plus 1, by like we assume contradiction, 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That's what we assume, right? So instead of 0, we can replace this 1 plus 1. If we replace, this is going to be 1 plus 1 is less than 1. And then what we are going to do is we are going to add negative 1 to both sides. If we add negative 1, this is going to be negative 1 plus 1 is less than 1 minus 1. And negative 1 plus 1, here we can use the associativity. Associativity is basically we can move this bracket around. Like if we have 1 plus 1 bracket, we can move this bracket to the front. In that way we will get negative 1 plus 1 and bracket like this plus 1 is less than, here by additive inverse we put 0. And I'm using axioms here. Like if you don't know what is additive inverse, I put the list of axioms in the description, and also I made a video on that. Yeah, I also put the link of the video in the description, so you can go ahead and watch them. And here minus 1 plus 1 by additive inverse again, this is also 0. 0 plus 1 is less than 0, and 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 by identity of addition. So 1 is less than 0, and from this one you can see this is contradiction. This is contradiction of proposition number 4. Proposition number 4 says 0 is less than 1. Here we have 1 is less than 0. This is a contradiction, therefore this is not correct. Therefore this is the assumed contradiction is not correct, therefore this is correct. Okay, that's how we prove this one. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are trying to learn discrete mathematics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.